Hello guys, Mma for J is here. I'm about to talk about this recent heat that's ravaging everybody now. The situation of things as it is today is very, very bad. I want you to know that this heat has earlier been said and warned about by meteorological agency that we should get prepared for longer heat ahead, both night and day. And why I have come to make this video is for us to take proper precaution. What are the disadvantages of this heat? Remember, this heat can cause skin cancer. This heat can cause, due to the the sun, your skin can be damaged. This heat can cause rashes. The worst of it all is that this heat can cause brain damage that leads to collapse and leads to faint because people do not know the effect of it. You can see my cap. It's always proper to put on cap. It can damage your eyes. You can see me fanning myself. You can go for this local fan if you don't have money for the rechargeable fan, hand rechargeable fan. You can as well go for water. It is advised that we drink water every minute, not day, every minute. Let bottle of water be beside you all the time. Always sip water to calm your nerves. Always sip water to calm your system. Always sip water to calm your brain. This heat is not good for any of us. We don't need it. We don't need to this level. Yes, it's actually coming from the greenhouse gas. This emission is dangerous to our health. So all we need to do is to do what? To get ourselves prepared. If you cannot have this type of face cap, then go with umbrella. Go with umbrella. I am advising as well that as you're going out, know the time you go out. What's the most hottest period to go out in the day? In the day, you go out every time. But now, you are not expected to be walking up and down 12 to 3 o'clock. 12 to 3 o'clock, avoid going out on your legs by that time. If you have motor, you can put on your AC, even though fuel is nowhere to be found. But your health first. What am I saying? We want to live, want to be strong, want to be healthy. And I want all my people to be strong and healthy and hearty. That's why I'm making this video. This video is important. What are the things you're going to avoid? You are expected to avoid. Avoid drinking alcohol. Remember when you drink alcohol or when you drink caffeinated water, that is generally called mineral in our place. When you drink such water, it increases the heat in you. It increases metabolism. And you don't need it because of the heat coming from the ray of the sun. So, every one of us should take care of our children too. When we go home, buy a small umbrella for your children. Ensure that your children are getting all it needed to protect them. To protect them in this period. Because children are vulnerable to this type of thing. Their skin are still tender. Their eyes are still tender. Everything about them is still tender. We need to protect our children. We need to put water in their luggage as they are going to school. We need to make sure that everything is ready for them. There are food also you should avoid. Food filled with proteins. Protein is not good as it is now. A lot of metabolism comes from proteinous food. And so you go for fish, a little fish, a little fish. Let your food be more of fruits, vegetables. Parents that used to prepare indomie for their children, make sure you add a lot of vegetable in it. Do not say the color is not fine. Teach your children how to eat vegetable. Teach your children how to eat food with vegetable all the time. Instead of adding biscuits, gala, other snacks to their box, why not add apple? Why not add cucumber? Why not add watermelon prepared? Cut it for them so that when they go to school, they can be eating them. Prepare your children. They are our future hope. They are our joy. If you don't treat them well, you will end up losing them. What is our gain? So, our advice to us today is that we should get ourselves prepared for this heat, because it's not just now, it's going to continue. What about the night? Make sure you take a cold bath in the night. Before going to bed, take a cool bath. And in the midnight, if there's no light, so that fan will be blowing you, go back to your bedroom, take another bath. Always cool your temper, always cool your temperature. Check your BP all the time, because this will be rising your BP. Yes, the heat is much, it's affecting our inner self and outside. It's affecting us both in and out. So always check your BP. Those of us that have BP, check our BP all the time. Take your medication. Drink a lot of water. Drink a lot of water. How many times have I said it? Drink a lot of water. You can say my own water. You can say my own. Drink a lot of water. Always find yourself. Always find yourself. Always find yourself. So what we are saying in general is, let us keep safe. Stay safe. Keep our children safe. Keep our family safe. Thank you for listening. Share this information to others, to your friends, to your family members, to everyone, even to your enemy. Share it to everybody so that all of us will stay safe and healthy and hearty and stay alive. Thank you so much. I still remain Mma Foje. Thank you.